Hello students, in today's lecture we study about the metal ethylenic complexes, which is one of the organometallic complexes. So here these ethylenic complexes or ethylenic ligands, which is one of the ligands having the carbon-carbon multiple bonds such as the ethene, propene, butene, benzene, cycloheptane, trine are known as the ethylenic ligand. And when this ethylenic ligand attach with the various metal ions such as the nickel, platinum, rhodium, this complexes form which is known as the organoethylenic complexes. And one of the example of this organoethylenic complexes, which one is the Gia's salt. This Gia's salt, which is the example of the organoethylenic complexes. Another example of the organoethylenic complex is the fluorosin. This is the another example of organoethylenic complexes. Next we study about the bonding in organoethylenic complexes. So in these organoethylenic complexes there are two types of bonding between the ligands and the metal. So there are the sigma bonding as well as the pi bonding, which is also called as the back bonding observed in the organoethylenic complexes, and here we studied one by one. So first we study about the sigma bonding in organoethylenic complexes, and we can explain this sigma bonding by using the example of this Gia's salt. So here in this Gia's salt, the platinum oxidation state of platinum is the +2. So it represents platinum having the atomic number 78. Electronic configuration is written as 5d9 6s1 60. Sorry, its electronic configuration is 5d9 6s1 6d0. In +2 oxidation state, its electronic configuration is 5d8 6s0 6d0. Okay, so this is the electronic configuration of platinum in the +2 oxidation state, which also represented as platinum +2. That means 5d8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That means there are the two unpaired electrons in the d orbital, s orbital, and this again empty d orbitals are there. Okay, after that this one electron in 5d9 or 5d orbitals, it goes pair and platinum undergo dsp2 hybridization. Okay, that means it undergo platinum +2, it undergo dsp2 hybrid orbitals. 1 2 1 2. Here S. Sorry, there are p orbitals. Okay, this is the p orbitals are there, not the d orbitals. Then it undergo dsp2 hybridization. dsp2 hybridization. That means there are the 4 vacant d orbitals in dsp2 hybridization. Also from which here we also written as these hybrid orbitals of Gia's salt. This is the dsp2 hybrid orbitals. Okay, and this one of the remaining p orbitals. So here this is the hybrid dsp2 orbitals. So from these 4 hybrid orbitals, 3 of the hybrid orbitals from the pi bonding with the chloride. 3 hybrid orbitals form pi bonding with the chloride, which is also represented as platinum. It gives the chloride gives the 2 electrons to this platinums. Okay, so it forms the sigma bonding with the these 3 hybrid orbitals from the sigma bonding with these 3 chloride ions. Okay, now the remaining or this vacant dsp2 hybrid orbitals, it again form the sigma bond with the pi molecular orbital of the ethene. That means it forms the sigma bond with pi molecular orbital of ethene. So like this, there are the formation of this sigma bonding, okay, with 3 chloride ion and 1 of the ethene ion, and this bonding is represented as like this. Here the platinum plus 2, it form 3 bond with chloride ion, okay, and the remaining 4th hybrid, this is the remaining 4th hybrid orbitals, it form the sigma bonding, and this sigma bonding is represented as this sigma, this is the ethene molecule. Okay, now this sigma bonding is represented as, this is the 3 chlorine atom, okay, and there is the axial overlapping of these 4th dsp2 hybrid orbitals on pi bonding of this ethene. Okay, this is a close approach of this. So this is the sigma bonding between this ethylenic ligand and this dsp2 hybrid orbitals of this platinum, and this is the organoethylenic compounds which form the sigma bond. So this is the organoethylenic compounds having the sigma bond. This is the structural representation. Next one is the pi bonding in the organoethylenic complexes. Then after the formation of the ethene, after the formation of this ethene and platinum sigma bonds, there are occurs sidewise or lateral overlapping between the filled d orbitals. Okay, so there are these filled d orbitals are there. So these filled d orbitals of platinum and vacant pi molecular orbital of ethene, okay, their formation of the ethene and platinum pi bond or the backbone, then this can be represented as, okay, so here the pi bond is the formed by the filled d orbital of the ethene and the filled d orbital of the platinum and the vacant orbital pi molecular orbital of the ethene, and which can be represented as, platinum plus this is the ethene bond, this is the vacant pi orbital of the ethene, molecular orbital of this ethene, and it form the lateral overlapping, okay, which form the pi bond, which is represented as this is the lateral overlapping between this platinum and pi molecular orbital of this ethene. So this is the pi bond or the backbone, which is formed in the organoethylene complexes by taking the example of the ZSL salt, and the whole molecule by using the sigma bond as well as the pi bond, which can be represented as platinum 3 chloride, this 2 field orbital, okay, here it is +2 oxidation state, here carbon ethylene bond is represented by CC, there are the 4 hydrogen are there, okay, and there is sigma bond as well as pi bond. This is fit. So this is the overall representation of this sigma and pi bond in the metal organometallic complexes or the organoethylenic complexes. Okay, so here we study about the bonding in organoethylenic complexes, sigma bonding as well as pi bonding in organoethylenic complexes. Okay, thank you.